Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to farm XP in Anime Vanguard using an easy method. We'll dive straight into optimizing your gameplay for maximum experience gain. Understanding which quests provide the best returns is crucial for efficient leveling. By focusing on these strategies, you can significantly boost your character's progress without unnecessary grinding. Let's get your characters leveled up fast. Choosing the right quests is paramount for efficient XP farming. Daily and weekly challenges offer substantial bonus experience, making them a top priority. Event quests are also fantastic, frequently featuring temporary boosts to experience points. Don't forget to revisit story missions on harder settings. They often yield significantly more experience than initial runs. Maximize your gains by being strategic. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really supports us. On another note, if you're looking to level up your financial game, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Your team composition plays a vital role in how quickly you can farm XP. Characters with powerful area of effect skills can clear waves of enemies much faster. Also, look for any characters or passive skills that specifically increase experience gain or improve item drop rates. Equipping any available experience-boosting gear or artifacts will further accelerate your progress. Optimize your squad for speed and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.